Dreaming of owning the breathtaking McLaren 720s? With its jaw-dropping looks and mind-blowing performance, it's a true supercar icon. But before you buy one, you might want to know what it really costs to own and run. In this video, we'll dive into the running costs of the McLaren 720s, from insurance and petrol to tires, servicing, brakes, and repairs. Plus, we'll compare it to a few of its competitors like the Ferrari F8 Tributo and Lamborghini Huracan Evo. To see how it stacks up, let's get started. The McLaren 720s is a modern masterpiece of engineering. Powered by a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8, it produces 710 horsepower and 770 Newton-meters of torque, allowing it to hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 190 miles per hour, top speed of 212 miles per hour. Designed with a lightweight carbon fiber construction and active aerodynamics, the 720s isn't just fast. It's a marvel of efficiency and precision, but that cutting-edge performance comes at a price. Let's start with insurance. As you'd expect, insuring a car like the McLaren 720s isn't cheap. Falling into Insurance Group 50, UK drivers can expect to pay anywhere from £3,000 to £10,000 annually. For comparison, the Ferrari F8 Tributo and Lamborghini Huracan Evo also sit in the same insurance group, though premiums for the McLaren can sometimes be higher due to its unique carbon fiber chassis and repair complexities. Let's talk fuel economy, or lack of it. McLaren claims the 720s achieves 22 miles per gallon combined, but real-world figures are closer to 15 to 18 miles per gallon, especially if you're driving it hard, as you probably will. With UK petrol prices averaging around £1.50 per litre, filling the 72-litre tank will set you back around £100 to £115. And if you're enjoying that V8 symphony regularly, you'll be visiting the petrol station more often than you think. For comparison, the Ferrari F8 Tributo offers slightly better real-world economy, averaging around 20 miles per gallon, while the Lamborghini Huracan Evo hovers at around 16 miles per gallon. So, the McLaren sits right in the middle of its rivals in terms of thirst. The 720s comes equipped with Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires as standard, specially designed for maximum grip on both road and track. These are fitted with an offset wheel setup with 19-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels. Replacing all 4 tires will cost you around £1,800 to £2,400, including fitting. Servicing the McLaren 720s is an essential and expensive part of ownership. The service schedule is every 10,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. A minor service, which includes an oil change and a basic checkup, will cost around £800 to £1,200. Major services, required every 20,000 miles, include additional work like air filter and spark plug replacements, and can cost £2,000 to £3,000. One of the unique maintenance requirements for the 720s is the hydraulic suspension system, which needs periodic inspections. Repairs to this system, if needed, can cost upwards of £5,000. The 720s comes standard with carbon ceramic brakes, offering incredible stopping power and resistance to fade. Replacing the front brake pads will cost around £1,200 to £1,500, while rear pads are priced at £1,000 to £1,200. Replacing the discs is where it gets quite expensive. A set of front discs will set you back around £5,000 to £6,000, with rear discs costing around £4,000 to £5,000. For comparison, the Ferrari F8 carbon ceramic brakes are similarly priced, while the Huracan Evo's costs are slightly lower due to simpler caliper designs. Labor for brake replacement is also significant, with standard fitting costs ranging from £500 to £1,000 per axle. depending on whether you're using an official McLaren dealer or an independent specialist. While McLaren builds incredible machines, the 720s isn't without its quirks. One common issue is with the active rear wing, which can fail due to hydraulic system problems. Repairs can cost £2,000 to £4,000, depending on the severity. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis is incredibly strong, but can complicate repairs. Even minor accidents may require extensive work, with costs easily running into tens of thousands. Another known issue is with the electrical system, including the infotainment and keyless entry. Repairs for these can range from £1,000 to £2,000. Owning the McLaren 720s is about more than just transportation. It's a statement. With insurance, fuel, tires, servicing, brakes, and potential repairs, it's also a significant financial commitment. Expect to budget around £4,000 to £5,000 per year on the running costs of brakes, servicing, and tires alone. The 720s offers unmatched performance and a driving experience like no other. But is it worth the extra expense over its rivals? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your dream car? Would you take the plunge and purchase a 720s? See you in the next one.